Namaskar everyone. Today we will discuss about production rule. So production rule is a computer program used to provide some form of artificial intelligence. Aim of production rule: to describe the system that represent knowledge in the form of rules. Production rules are also called as condition action rules. Production rules: a production rule system consists of three things: a set of rules, working memory that stores temporary data, a forward chaining inference engine. Then example: production rule can be explained by the help of water jug problem. Okay, so water jug problem, it is a state space search problem which can be best explained with the help of problem statement. Okay, so what is the problem statement? There are two jugs in this diagram. You can see the capacity of holding water in first jug is 3 gallon and the capacity to hold the water in second jug is 4 gallon. Okay, and what is our problem? Our problem is to fill 2 gallon water into the 4 gallon jug. This is the problem. So but there are some conditions. We have no measurement mark in the jug. We have no measurement tool to measure the water also, but we have a pump through which we can pour water into the jug. Okay, and we have a ground to which we can pour out water. We have to solve the problem by using production rule. So generally, what is production rule? A production rule is the total number of action from initial state to reach the final or goal state. So representation of problem by the production rule: I tends to 3 gallon jug. Here we have written, this is the rule, I tends to 3 and J tends to 4, because the holding of water in first jug is 3 and that is represented by I, and in second jug it is represented by J. Okay, now we can see what is the rule. What are the rule? So first, generally we have to empty, then we have to fill, then we have to adjust the water. These three things we have to apply. So first, as I told you, first we have to fill, then empty, then we have to adjust. So here you can see IJ. So 4 comma J. Here what does it mean? Here we are filling 4 gallon of jug. We are not touching, we are not doing anything in 3 gallon of jug. So this is the production rule. It is important, you have to understand this. Here we are only filling the 4 gallon jug. So 4 comma J. We are not doing anything with the I or the 3 gallon water. Then here we are dealing with the 3 gallon jug, means we are filling the 3 gallon jug water. Okay, so I comma 3. Here what happens? We are empty the 4. Totally we are empty the 4 gallon jug. So 0 comma J, because J is the 4 gallon jug. Okay, so this is the production rule. We have to write this: I comma J tends to 0 comma J. Okay, then here what? Empty 3 gallon jug. So this is the condition: empty 3 gallon jug, like empty 4 gallon jug. So empty 3 gallon jug. Here it is important: pour water from 3 gallon jug to 4 gallon jug to fill it. Means pour water from 3 gallon jug means we have to adjust, means we have to pour out some water from 3 gallon jug to 4 gallon jug. So definitely it is what? 4 comma J minus 4 minus I. Okay, why 4 minus I? Because we are pouring water from 3 to 4. So how much water we are pouring? Definitely it can be calculated by minus from the total capacity. So 4 minus I. So okay, understood this rule. Then again, pour some water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug to fill it. So like that, this is the condition, this is the production rule: I comma 3 minus J comma 3. Hope you understood this. Then here pour all water from 3 gallon jug to 4 gallon jug to fill it. So pour all water from 3 gallon jug. So definitely I comma J. So J is 0. Okay, so this is the production rule. Okay, and here pour all water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug. That means this is 0 and this is I plus J, because we are pouring all water here and here we are emptying this. Okay, understood? This is the production rules. Okay, then we have to find the solution. Solution is what? There are beginning 0 0. Okay, empty. Then what? 4 gallon, we are filling the 4 gallon jug. Okay, and we are not doing anything with the 3 gallon jug. This is which rule? As I told you, this is the production rule first. Okay, fill 4 gallon jug, production rule first. So it is written here production rule. Okay, first production rule. Then here 1 3, that means production rule 6. Okay, means here we are pouring some water from 4 gallon jug to fill the 3 gallon jug. Okay, so previously it was 4, so we are filling 3 gallon jug, 3 gallon of water into the 3 gallon jug, and here left 1. This is production rule 6. What is production rule 6? Production rule 6 says pour some water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug to fill it. What we did here, we did the same thing. Previously it was 4, and we take out 3 gallon water into the 3 gallon jug. So here 1 gallon left. Then here production rule 4. Production rule 4 means here what? We are emptying the 3 gallon jug. So here it is 1, and here we are emptying the 3 gallon jug. Production rule 4. You can see what is the production rule 4. Production rule 4 is empty 4 gallon jug. Empty 3 gallon jug, sorry. Empty 3 gallon jug. Okay, production rule 4. And here we did the same. Okay, production rule 4, empty 3 gallon jug. Then production rule 8. Okay, production rule 8 means what? Here this is 0 and here 1. Production rule 8 is what? Pour out all water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug to fill it. Okay, means here what happened? Here you can see, here we are taking the water. Okay, previously it was 1. So here we are transferring all water through 3 gallon jug. So this is production rule 8. So here there is no water in the 4 gallon jug. Then what happens? Here production rule 7. Production rule 7 what? Production rule 7. Pour all water from 3 gallon jug into the 4 gallon to fill it. Okay. So here it is 4. Okay. We are filling the 4 gallon jug. Okay, then here what happens? Here we are transferring 2 gallon of water. From this 4 gallon of water, we are transferring 2 gallon of water to this 3 gallon of water. Previously it was what? 1 gallon. If we transfer 2, okay, then it become 3. So production rule 8, sorry, production rule 6. What is production rule 6? Production rule 6 says pour some water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug to fill it. Means we are transferring some water from 4 gallon to 3 gallon. So here we did the same thing. We are transferring, previously it was 4 gallon. So we are transferring 2 gallon of water. Okay, from the previously it was 4. So here it became 2. That means what? We have transferred 2 gallon of water to this 3 gallon of water. So previously it is 1. So 2 plus 1 3 it becomes. Okay, so hope you understood this. Have a good time.